So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making get ready with me for college video. So I'm gonna do a very simple makeup that I do very often when I go to college. So without any further delay, let's get started. So firstly I'm gonna apply moisturizer. This is the NIVEA one. You can use any moisturizer that suits your skin. I have a very sensitive and combination kind of skin, so I'm using this. While applying moisturizer, massage your skin for at least 1 to 2 minutes and let that moisturizer settle down in your skin. So next I'm gonna apply this lip balm. This is the Beetroot lip balm my mom gave me. I like it very much. The smell of this lip balm is really nice. So I'm applying this lip balm very generously. You can apply any lip balm that you have in your makeup kit, any sort of lip balm. This is the very important step, so please don't forget. This keeps your lips moisturized. This is very important to apply before applying your lipstick, so please don't forget to apply lip balm. So next we gonna apply sunscreen. This is the very important step. Don't forget to apply your sunscreen because it's very hot and humid outside. I'm gonna apply very generous amount of sunscreen in my face and neck. The both areas are very important, so apply it. Don't get shocked. This happens. It takes time. You have to have patience. You have to massage it very well for 1 to 2 minutes. See, it gets better. You have to have patience and you have to massage it really very well. So I'm done with the sunscreen. You can see the shine and glow in my skin after applying the sunscreen. Please do not forget to apply your sunscreen before going outside. For blush, I'm gonna apply this Maybelline lipstick. You can apply any lipstick or blush you like. I'm applying this one. I like this color very much. So apply it in your cheeks, in your nose, and now simply blend it with your fingers. While blending the blush, always remember you have to blend it upwards, not downwards. Always blend your blush upwards. It will really look good and snatched. So now I'm gonna apply more blush because it wasn't enough for me. I love applying blush. I don't know, I just love applying blush. I feel really pretty. So next we're gonna apply the HyperCurl mascara, the washable one. You can apply any mascara, any good mascara that you have in your makeup kit. I have this one. I also have the colossal one, but I'm gonna wear this one because it's really hot outside and I don't wanna make my lashes heavy. Let me know in the comment section you guys also make those faces while wearing mascara. Not wearing, applying mascara. Lots of girls do make those kind of faces, and I'm one of them. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the mascara. My lashes looks more uplifted. So next I'm gonna apply lip liner. You can apply any darkest shade of lip liner that you have in a makeup kit. This is the darkest lip liner that I have. I don't know the name of this lip liner, I just got it nearby a store. By the way, I love this lip liner. Okay, done with the lip liner. Now I'm gonna apply lipstick. This is the dark brown lipstick. Again, I don't know the name of this lipstick. My boyfriend got it for me. Okay, so you can apply any darkest lipstick you have. After that, I'm gonna apply a mauve pinkish kind of lipstick in the center of my lips. Just apply it in the center of your lips, not all over your lips, only in the center of your lips. And now gently just blend it. Now next I'm gonna apply eyeliner. This is the oldest eyeliner I have in my makeup kit. The oldest. The only eyeliner that I have. The L18 one. So I'm gonna make a really nice winged eyeliner. Same way on the other side. It's really very easy. So this is how I apply my eyeliner. Oh my god, God bless me. It always happens while I apply eyeliner. I sneeze and my eyeliner comes off. Actually, I was really very sick at that time. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. Bye.